Welcome to Board System Test 7 featuring the Firlight MS-5UD fire alarm system. This test is also a request system test. This system test was requested by Christmas Songs PG. So let's go ahead and get started. For our first notification appliance, we have a Wheelock AS241575W. This device is set on fixed 1575 candela, and this device will be doing code 3. We still have the System Center CO1224T carbon monoxide detector. Nothing has changed with that. Above the carbon monoxide detector, instead of a smoke detector for this test, we have a heat detector. The model of this heat detector is Edwards 282B-PL, and this is a rate of rise heat detector. Going to our second notification appliance, we have a Simplex 4903-9237 horn strobe, and this device has been doing march time. We still have the Firlight N880 fire alarm annunciator. Nothing has changed with that. Below the annunciator, we have a System Center RTS2 key test switch, which connects to my System Center duct detector. For our pull stations, we have two pull stations. On the left, we have a Simplex 2099-9795, and on the right, we have a Firlight BG10. If we move down, we have a System Sensor D4120 duct detector, and this duct detector connects up to my System Center RTS2 key test switch, which I showed you earlier. Before I begin today's test, I just wanted to mention that I will not be using AC power in this test. The reason that is because I'm going to be using a Simplex device. As you guys probably know, if you've been into fire alarm collecting for a while, or you are an enthusiast, you may know that certain panels output full-way rectified power. The MS-5UD unfortunately does. So that means that I'm going to be using batteries. So not really up to code, but I make it work, and it's just for a demo system. This shouldn't ever be done in a real building, but again, this is just because it's a demo system. Traditionally, these kinds of horn strobes would be connected to a control panel that would have DC power, but again, in this circumstance, it's just a demo system. Alright, to begin today's test, I'm going to pull the Firlight BG10. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. The alarm is silenced. We do have audible silence, so the strobes do continue to flash. For our next test today, I'm going to activate the Edwards heat detector by just using a hairdryer. So here we go. And the alarm is silenced. Alright, I will now go ahead and reset the pull station. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to insert my Allen key. Just going to turn it. Eventually the handle automatically comes back up, spring loaded. There's the inside. Alright, we're going to lock it back in place. To do that, we're just going to tighten the Allen key. Just going to turn the Allen key. Just going to tighten this pull station up. There we go. And now I'm going to go into the main firearm control panel, and I'm going to hit system reset. Alright, to finish off today's test, I'm going to pull the Simplex T-bar. here we go. 3, 2, 1. The alarm is silenced. I will now go ahead and reset the pull station. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my key. I'm going to turn it. It'll automatically, it comes back up. It's spring loaded. I'm going to close the station back into place and lock it back up. I'm going to go to the annunciator and hit system reset. Alright guys, I thank you for watching this video, and I would like to thank Chris's Songs PG for requesting the system test. As a reminder, if you would like to submit your request system test, all you have to do is go to my website and visit the request system test page. I will also have the link to the request system test page in the description of this video so it's easier to get to. Alright guys, thanks for watching and have a great day.